Hello children, how are you? In last video of lesson number 4th, History, Standard 7th, that is Maharashtra before the times of Shivaji Maharaj, we had taken information about the different rule by the foreign rulers. We had also taken the information about Watandari, that is different units we have studied Mauja, Kasba, Paragana, how their workings were happened in the villages, in Tahsil or in Taluka places. We had also taken information about the condition of Maharashtra during the time of a famine. In this video, children, basically we are going to take information about the work of Warkari movement and work of the Sant. First, start with the work of Warkari movement. People had become fatalist and inert due to the prevalence of a blind faith, religious beliefs, and rituals. Their condition was miserable because people were uneducated. They were not knowing any kind of a science, so they were easily believing the wrong practices of the society. Blind faith had spread in society, so people were not ready to believe in the scientific attitude or scientific things. The endeavor of the Sant of a Warkari movement in Maharashtra was to inspire the masses and thereby revive society as a whole. So main working done by Warkari movement, because with the help of teachings of different sant, they had tried to remove the blind faith from the society, starting with Sant Jnaneshwar and Sant Namdev. The sons from the different sections of society carried forward the Warkari tradition. संत चोखामेळा, संत गोरोबा, संत सेना, संत सावता, संत नरहरी, संत शेख, Muhammad were the notable among the Warkari sons. The women sons also joined in a good work. Pandharpur was the center of the Warkari movement and Vitthal was their deity. The Warkaris or the pilgrims rejoice in the devotion on the bank of a Chandrabhaga river at Pandharpur. The equality was propagated through bhajan, kirtans and unity meals, that is also called as a kala. Let's start with the work of sons. First, we are going to take information about Sant Namdev. Sant Namdev spread the message of Bhagavad Dharma and awakened the sense of equality across Maharashtra through his kirtan. He also composed Abhanga and he went to Punjab. His devotional verses were included in Guru Granth Sahib also. He built memorial of Sant Chokhamela at Pandharpur. Sant Jnaneshwar. Sant Jnaneshwar translated Bhagavad Gita into Marathi as Bhavartha Deepika or Jnaneshwari. He composed Amrutanubhav. He stated importance of a path of devotion in his Abhangas. His composition Pasaidan laid down the norms of a good behavior. Let's take information about Sant Eknath. Sant Eknath composed many Abhangas, Gaulan and Bharod, wherein he stated Bhagavad Dharma in detail in simple language which people can understand very easily. He composed Bhavartha Ramayana. Through his own conduct, showed that there is no need to renounce worldly matters to attain Paramartha. He was a teacher of a people in true sense. He maintained that Marathi is no way inferior to Sanskrit because Marathi was the language of a common people, and common people can understand the teachings in Marathi than Sanskrit. Sant Tukaram. Sant Tukaram composed pleasing and meaningful abhangas. Tukaram Gatha is a valuable treasure for Marathi language. He asked people to find God by showing love to the unhappy and tormented people. He freed many poor families from loans taken from him. He criticized hypocrisy and blind faith from the society. He tried to relate bhakti with a niti, means he tried to relate devotion with morality. This is all about the Santa, but there was a great impact of Santa and their working on the society. Let's see the impact of the work of a Sant on the society. Sant gave messages of equality, humanity, and humanism in the society and to the common people. They taught people to love one another, unite, and live in harmony. They awakened the self confidence and developed courage to face different calamities. During the times of a deterioration of ethics and religions, Sant protected society, taught true meanings of religion, path of devotion by sharing their joy and sorrows with society. They simplified religious teachings and maintained that all are children of God and equal irrespective of their varna and caste. So, discrimination of caste, discrimination of the people on the basis of caste and color were totally not acceptable in the society was the teaching given by Sant. They performed duties of their day to day life and preached devotion and thereby nurtured morality in the society. They inspired people to break shackles and attain freedom. So, this was the impact of Sant on the common people or on the society. Let's take information about Sant Ramdas Swami. Ramdas Swami gave teaching on the importance of physical fitness to the people. He also gave practical education in good conduct through work like Dasabodh, Karuna Shaktaka, Manache Shlok, formed Samartha Sampradaya with its center at Chafal. He also preached devotion to Ram and Hanuman by undertaking travel across Maharashtra. So, Sant Ramdas Swami stressed on the physical fitness in the society. If you are physically fit, you can perform different activity. You should not be only physically fit, mentally also you should fit. And with the help of his Manache Shlok, he gave teaching to the society how one can make themselves fit physically and mentally. That is all about the working of Sant. After this, children, I am going to give you the assignment which you are going to write in your classwork notebook. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and stay happy. Thank you once again.